Give the king his flowers. DJ BUMMA Production, tribute to Beenie Man. From Jamaica to the world, one microphone, one voice. Decades of dancehall history. Beenie Man, the doctor. This is respect. DJ BUMMA said, give the king his flowers while him still there. From a little youth to step up on the stage. Years after years you write another page. From sound system days to the worldwide lights, you carry dancehall through the darkest nights. Simmer, everybody know the sound. When Beenie touch the mic, whole place turn around. From Kingston streets to overseas flight, you make Jamaica shine on the international lights. You never just make music for the fame, you help put dancehall beside a worldwide name. Generation after generation know your vibes. Beenie Man, you made the culture rejoice. Give the king his flowers while he's still there. Show him the respect, make him know we care. You carry Jamaica everywhere you go. From the dancehall stage to the worldwide show. Give the king his flowers, don't wait too late. Respect the legacy, celebrate the great. Grammy in your hand, Jamaica in your heart. Beenie Man, you've been playing your part. You open doors that some people can't see. Made opportunities for the next generation to be. Young artists watching how you handle the game. Learning from the doctor, learning from the name. Big collaborations taking dancehall overseas. Working with the biggest names with style and ease. You show the world what Jamaica could do, but when they talk dancehall they remember you. Some people talk loud, some people stay quiet, but history know who helped build the riot. So DJ BUMMA come forward tonight. No jealousy, no competition, just respect and light. Give the king his flowers while he's still there. Show him the respect, make him know we care. You carry Jamaica everywhere you go. From the dancehall stage to the worldwide show. Give the king his flowers, don't wait too late. Respect the legacy, celebrate the great. Grammy in your hand, Jamaica in your heart. Beenie Man, you've been playing your part. One generation teach another, that's how the music evolve. From the elders to the youth, the journey keep moving on. So when the history book open, make sure the truth get told. Beenie Man helped carry dancehall when the world was getting cold. Order of distinction, another piece of the story, but the greatest reward is the people and the glory. Fans around the world still singing your song after all these years. The legacy strong, you gave the culture freedom, you gave it a voice, you gave the people music, you gave them a choice. And tonight we ain't waiting till the story is done. We're giving you your flowers underneath the sun. Give the king his flowers while I'm still there. Beenie Man, we see you loud and clear. From Jamaica to the world, you carried the sound. The doctor touched the mic and the whole place bounce. Give the king his flowers, let the whole world know. Respect to the legend, everywhere him go. Grammy winning king, dancehall, royalty. Beenie Man, your legacy live eternally. Beenie Man, this is not about competition, this is about appreciation. To every artist who came before, to every artist who opened a door, and to every artist who helped somebody along the way. Give them their flowers. Beenie Man, the doctor, the doctor. Respect from DJ BUMMA. Give the king his flowers while I'm still there.